In this video, you will learn about subject pronouns. Pronouns take the place of a noun. We use them to refer to people, animals, or things, and they are also used to avoid repetition.
For example, my name is Larry. I am a teacher. The personal pronoun I is replacing the noun Larry. You are Mexican. The subject pronoun you is replacing your name. Brandon is my best friend. He is 18 years old. He, Brandon. Samantha is my sister. She is a journalist. She, Samantha. The pronoun it is used for an animal or a thing. For example, my pet is a dog. It is funny. It, the dog. I live in an apartment. It is comfortable. It, the apartment. My family and I live in Sydney. We are Australian. We, my family and I. The subject pronoun you is also used to refer to two or more people. You and your family live in Mexico City. You are Mexican. You and your family. Emilio and Alison are my students. They are very intelligent. They, Emilio and Alison. This pronoun is used to talk about two or more things too. I have a computer and a cell phone. They are my things. They, the computer and the cell phone. Here you have all the subject pronouns. Singular, I, you, he, she, it. Plural, we, you, they. Examples. My best friend is a chemist. He is a teacher. He lives in southern Mexico City. The pronoun he is replacing my best friend. In the last two sentences, this pronoun takes the places of the subject. It goes at the beginning of the sentence.